Coming from Turner Home Entertainment International. Get ready for tomfoolery and Jerry merriness like you've never seen before. Tom and Jerry Kids. It's everyone's favorite cat and mouse, joined by some old friends and some young ones, too.
I'm strong for a little guy.
Like Spike and Tyke, Droopy and Dribble. It's Tom and Jerry Kids.
Fantastic, marvelous.
From Turner Home Entertainment International.
Do I miss you? Count the stars, multiply by 10.
Good night. Sleep time. And don't let the spiders and monsters and scary things bite.
Once upon a time, an evil guardian named Pristine Fig kept a little girl named Robin locked away in an attic until something wonderful happened.
Who are you?
Well, two things.
He's Tom, and I'm Jerry. Throw this end out the window. Down, please.
I'd give you down. She's escaped again. They're getting away.
Get ready for the adventure of a lifetime.
They're following us. We need more steam.
You are the lucky guest of Captain Kitty.
He's funny.
You're dead if you're not out of here. I want to make that very clear.
We two, we're friends to the end.
Turner Pictures Worldwide presents Tom and Jerry the Brave.
Together.
Tom and Jerry the Sensitive.
Boy, what a team.
And for the first time in history, Tom and Jerry the Movie. After years of fighting, they finally discovered something worth fighting for. Each other.
A trend, we're friends to the end. Hey, you guys are the greatest! I love it!
Budgie's a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure.
Budgie!
Rockets and rotors.
Oh, Budgie's a little helicopter. He is nippy, look at him go, it's Budgie, the little helicopter.
It was early morning, and Harefield Airfield